everyone, welcome back. If your Lloyds account is logged on the app, this is usually due to multiple incorrect login attempts for security concerns. Wait a short period of time before trying again, as the temporary logs can automatically expire. Then make sure that you are using the correct username and password and memorable information. Use the password reset option if you are unsure about your login details. Then restart your phone and attempt to log in again after some time has passed. If your account remains locked, contact Lloyds customer support to verify your identity and restore access, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.